Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Dodge Journey, which in some markets is known as Fiat Freemont. It's practically the same vehicle under two different names. If your vacuum pump, brake vacuum pump does not work guys, and you're experiencing a hard brake pedal, we're going to show you, okay, first it could be pumped, but always check the fuse guys. We'll show you where the fuse is located. Let me introduce you to the channel. We have guys more than 200 videos on this car, so please subscribe to the channel. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can, and all the tools and parts that we use, including the fuses, will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. Now open the hood, doesn't matter which engine you have guys. Okay, you have one fuse box right here. Okay, that's where the fuse will be located, but if you look down there, underneath the air filter, that's your vacuum pump there. We have a video how to remove, replace it, how to test it, all that stuff. So that box now, in order to open it, squish those two things towards each other. Okay, that layout will correspond to the layout here, facing this way. We need to find fuse number 162. Okay, right there, 162. This is for the vacuum pump 20 amp fuse. Okay, it's square fuse like that. Check out guys, again, description of the video for the replacement fuse. So we're going to go ahead, grab the fuse puller, go on top of it, shake it a little bit. Okay, you need to wiggle it and then pull it out. And in our case, we just dropped our fuse puller down there, so we need to go ahead and grab it now. If you remove the relay, okay, you can pull it by hand too. Okay, like that. I'll grab the new one quick. Okay, and replace it now. Pretty much, okay. This is guys the fuse right here. Now you can check right here if it's burned or not through that glass. 20 amp fuse. I'm going to go ahead and just install it there. Push it all the way in. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.